Recording it. Oh my God, he's in our front yard.
Don't get too close.
I won't. He'll attack you. Where did he come from? Go get your bow. Really?
Mm-hmm.
He's following her.
Oh my gosh. Look at his tail. It's not turkey season now, is it?
Yes, it is.
Well, go get your bow.
I think it's very wrong. Here's mine. But mine makes little pictures.
Honey, go get your bow.
No, I'm not killing somebody's pet.
Oh, it's a pet?
He has been coming right up.
Wow. Eric says he's somebody's pet.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. He was in the office. He's like, I swear I hear a turkey out in the front yard.
Aren't they cute?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
got the prettiest color.
Oh yeah.
See if he's gonna have a fit.
Oh, it's okay.
Here, come back this way. Come here. Yeah, come back over here. He will stop. I will make your picture.
Get back. No, get. Get back inside.
He let himself out.
Well, get him.
Come here.
Get it.
Get it there.
Good God.
Scared of turkey?
Yeah, he's over by the lamppost now.